Hi, welcome to the business segment of Depth, Not Just Headlines. I'm Deborah Anderson. This evening, we'll be taking a look at Disney World. Do you believe in magic? Well, maybe they'll need more than magic to recover from the financial losses they faced the past few months due to the coronavirus pandemic. Disney stocks fell badly they had a low of $76 and a high of $102 in their 52-week measurement, and that's not weighing well for them. And investors' outlook on Disney recovery is not really bright right now. In fact, the Disney Bear expects 2021 earnings to be only a fraction of 2019's, right? Disney has a unique vulnerability to this pandemic, right? Because of the fact that it depended on crowds, okay? Mainly children, families. And right now, many people have absolutely no interest to visit, major parks in the short term. Okay, we're looking at more than likely 2021, but the political pundits, or the financial pundits rather, they believe that it's not until 2022 that Disney may or may not recover. But at this point in time, they expect things to dip further in 2019 or 2020, going over to 2021. I wonder why I'm getting my years mixed up. Well, I guess that's what you get when you are at home for such a long time. Poor excuse. Nonetheless, though, with the entertainment giant is set to report first quarter earnings, right, on Tuesday, right? And that's next Tuesday after the market closes. So with theme parks shut down and movie theaters closed, sports events delayed, all of these events that Disney was completely dependent on, right? We can't see them, recovering anytime soon. So on average, there are more than 2 dozen analysts polled, right, by FactSet, and they expect Disney's fiscal 2020 earnings to come at $2.89 per share, right? Half of 2019's $5.77. But they may bounce back to around $4.40 in fiscal year 2021, with a range of forecasts from $2.42 to $6.87. Now, that is vast. So it's basically saying that none of these forecasters are really in agreement as to what Disney's recovery may or may not be come next year, right? And Greenfield is much more bearish than all of them. In fact, it said today that Lightshed's already low 2021 earnings estimate from $2.22 per share should really be $1.26. And Greenfield is highly recognized. It doesn't necessarily mean they're right, but you have to go with those who usually get it correct, right? So this represents just a fifth of Disney's 2019's level. So the question I'm asking right now is, with their earnings falling this badly, are we looking at scores of people being laid off, scores of people being left jobless? What are the severance packages like? Disney has not been readily responding to most of the questions that are being asked. So I guess we will not know what the details of its gains and losses are or will be until we hear from them, right, after the closing of the first quarter. Now let's move over to the multi-billion-dollar company Airbnb. A lot of people were already expecting this, and unfortunately today they officially announced that they're letting go 25% of their workforce, not just in the United States, but across the globe. This is not news that thousands of employees were looking forward to. A lot of them were nervous the past few weeks, but as I said earlier, they knew it was coming, right? And 25% is a large number. The great thing for many of them is that they have very good severance packages. A lot of them will have their health benefits up to a year, so they won't be left high and dry. But nobody wants to be jobless. And most of their core employees are pretty much safe. But areas that we don't hear much about, like their transportation department, right? There are multiple areas actually that they don't necessarily put out there, the names of these areas, but a lot of those people are going to be let go. So all these businesses that are an extension of Airbnb services, which the main service really is to offer rooming and board through the general public, right? And at this point in time, there's definitely no revenue coming in from that area. And if there's none coming in from that main area, of course, the others are just going to be cut off completely, right? So that's unfortunate news reaching us again in a matter of hours, right? Most people will be hearing if they've lost their jobs, all right? So not everybody has been notified yet. And as a matter of fact, those outside of the United States, they will take a little bit longer to know when they will be out of a job. So those are the latest updates we have right now in business news. Thank you for joining me on Depth, Not Just Headlines. I'm Deborah Anderson, and just a reminder to hit that subscribe button and the alert bell to be kept abreast of the latest. Thank you.